We have subtracting of integers. In the first example, we have negative 64 minus negative 64. Like I said before, two negative signs give me always positive sign. Memorize. So negative and negative give me positive. So we can rewrite our first example that this is negative 64, negative and negative. We will substitute by positive. Just copy 64. So this is equal. We have addition now of two integers with different sign. One is positive, one negative. But we have in this example the same numbers, 64 and 64. So what we will do, we will only rewrite these numbers and we will start from the positive. We can write that we have 64 minus 64. 64 minus 64, of course, this is 0. Next example, again, negative and negative. So we will copy the beginning. So we have negative 9a. Negative and negative, memorize, is positive. So we have plus a, we copy. So this is equal. Now we have addition of two expressions with different sign. One is negative, one is positive. And we have variable a and a. When we don't have any number, it's always invisible 1. So we will do the same like we add integers with different signs. First, we check which of these two expressions have number greater before variable a. We have 9 and 1. 9 is greater than 1. So we copy the sign of the greater number. So we have negative. And in parentheses, we just subtract from the expression which have greater number before variable smaller. So we have 9a minus, we can write 1a. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 9, just forget about a, just subtract the numbers, 9 minus 1 is 8, and rewrite a. The last example, again, negative and negative. Two negative signs give me always positive. So we can rewrite this, that this is 4g plus 7g. And we have addition of two expressions with the same variable, g and g. So how we do this? We just add the numbers before variable. 4 plus 7 is 11. And we rewrite g. This is my solution.